Are you tired of connecting multiple applications to run your event? In-Event Virtual Lobby is the new way to experience all the features you need for your event. Use nothing more than your email and password to connect and start sharing content by video or chat via our live communication channels. Access all the features of your event, including event sessions, keynote presentations, and sponsor booths in one single place. Your attendees can join the event as a presenter or a viewer according to your event settings and share PDFs and other documents on the screen. The event host is able to control the room layout so your attendees can relax and simply enjoy it. And just when you thought it can't get better, it does. Your event attendees can use our live interaction chat and video call features to network with each other without leaving the session. Use In-Event Virtual Lobby and increase your event success.